This vehicle came in with the manifold sealed with JB Weld. Customer states the blower motor doesn't work. The problem is that it's typically located underneath the glove box. Customer states that he only wants an oil change and refuses to accept any repairs. This customer brought in the vehicle because it had poor gas mileage. Customer states that the transmission can't go in forward or reverse. He mentioned that he recently had an oil change. The last time I checked, transmission fluid was red. This customer brought in this vehicle because the right wheel was locked up. Looks like someone forgot to put a brake pad in. Customer states the vehicle only drives right. This customer worked on his brakes. Customer states the vehicle makes a clunky noise when accelerating. Customer states the suspension needs some work. This customer said the engine seized up. Customer states they just got a keyless entry installed. This customer brought in the vehicle because the tires wouldn't hold any pressure. Customer states fuel mileage got worse after installing this part from Amazon. This customer was wondering why the truck was running rough. Thanks for watching. If you want to be featured in one of our videos, submit your clips in the description below. And if you like videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe.